Hi everyone, this is Ed and welcome to my YouTube channel, Stocks DIY. So if you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe and follow me in my journey on stock investment. So today I will show you how to purchase stocks in US market using Sharesies. Okay, so basically I have purchased some stocks in US market, so this is just showing you how I did it. So I'm not an expert on stock investment, so this is just a like a newbie way of doing it. So I hope you learn something from it or tell me if I'm doing something wrong about it. Okay, so now I'm going to my portfolio. Then here is the Sharesies website. So I'm already logged in. Then if you go to invest, so basically this is the page. Then you can see there's a lot of options here, popular companies, ETF, transport, everything. Then let's just see all, for example. Then you can see there are showing 3,240 investment because it includes US companies. Okay, for example, you want to purchase Facebook. Okay. So normally you have to have a like a US dollars in your wallet to purchase this one, but in Sharesies there's an easy way to do it. So you don't need to have US dollars, so you can just hit buy. So the same as New Zealand stocks, you have option market order and limit order. For example, I try limit order. Then here you can see here Facebook is now showing like a $295.61 US dollars per share. So let's say I want to purchase it like a 295 per share. Unlike New Zealand or NZX stocks, you can purchase like a partial stocks, but for US share you have to purchase a whole share. For example, you want to pay $295, so this is US dollars per share, so you have to put here 1, so it's 1 share. Then it will automatically computed as a 296.47 US dollar because it includes a Sharesies transaction fee of 0.5%, so that will be 0.5%. And you can see here, if you put the cursor here, you can see it's estimated amount at $436.82. that is in New Zealand dollars. So it's automatically computed, but right now I only have a 57.98 US dollar in my wallet. So basically it's like there's a New Zealand wallet at 85.40 and US wallet at 0.52. I will explain later why I have 52 cents US cents in my wallet. Okay, so you can see now this is below the amount needed, so I cannot hit click here, so there it is grayed out. So once I have a enough money in my wallet, then I can purchase Facebook stocks here. Okay, then that will be easy. Then you just wait for the market. When it's open, you can see now it is closed and showing. I click in this one, you can see it is showing Wednesday, September 2. Will open at 1:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. Okay, right now it is closed. Okay, then see here you have to review, then it said confirm, but now it's not possible to do it. Now I go to my wallet. There's another option. You can just exchange money. If you put some money in your wallet, you can just exchange it to US dollars. So for example, I want to exchange like 50, then it will give you computation like a 33 US dollars and 64 cents. Then there's a exchange rate here, foreign exchange. So it's this one is updating. I don't know how many minutes, so it's always updating. So right now it is 0.67 USD per 1 New Zealand dollar. Then you can just exchange it. But if you don't want to do this, you can just buy directly from the invest page, then buy from that company, buy the stocks from the company, and it will automatically do it for you by Sharesies. Okay. By the way, on top of the Sharesies transaction fee when you purchase stocks and sell stocks, there's also exchange fee. So if you exchange New Zealand dollar to US dollar and go back to New Zealand dollar exchange fee, click this one. So you can see there's a 0.4% exchange fee times the wholesale rate. So for example, you have 1,000 New Zealand dollars, you purchase it, exchange it to US dollar, then you have to pay for New Zealand dollars transaction fee. So basically this is exchange fee. Okay, so the remaining one, $996, will be the one to be exchanged with the US dollar. So in the end you have 657.36 US dollars. So if you return it back to New Zealand dollar, then another transaction fee as well of 0.4%. Okay. Now I will explain why I have this 52 cents USD, because recently I purchased some stocks in USA. So I purchased AMD, Logitech, and Apple. Okay, so if you purchase something, just to show here, let me see. You can see here there's an exchange of 163. Last time I purchased stocks of Logitech, probably this one. So it is $146.43 US dollar. But when I got the stocks, let me see. The order was filled. At first, I'll just go back. How to explain it? Okay, here in Logitech International. So I purchased 2 shares at 72.04, but I put a limit price of $72.85. Then I paid something like this, 144.80. But initially, when you just purchase the stock, they will get this money from you, 72.85 per share. But when it is the order was filled, it's only 72.04. Then there is a change of $1.63. Yeah. So that's why then so that this $1.63 will be used when you purchase another stocks in USA. Then I purchased again last time Apple yesterday. So it's 131.66, and now I have a change of 51 cents. That's why I have the existing 51 cents in my wallet, because I put a limit price of 131, but the price per share is only 130.49. So I have a change of 59 cents. Of course, it used the $1.63 in my wallet before. Okay, so that's it. So that is like an easy way to purchase stocks in USA. So I think that's it for this US stock purchase. So again, please subscribe and don't forget to hit like as well and follow me in my journey. So again, this is Ed, and thank you for watching.